Hello, this is Jacob from KAYHANAUDIO. Today I'll be showing you our new products, which is the FG MKII Fascia kit. So we have two separate colors for these. There is black, which is right here, so piano black, and we have grey. So with these, what they're basically used for is if you have an FG MKI and you want to purchase our FG MKII unit, you can purchase one of these kits to convert your FG MKI fascia into an FG MKII, so you can fit the unit that we provide for the FG MKII. This is also useful for customers that do not have the 8-inch color screen in their FG MKII vehicle, and they can grab this kit and they can convert it into the 8-inch screen. First things first, we'll go through the black. This is the black top hat for the FG MKII. As you can see, it's plastic sealed. We'll take this off, just so you guys can get a better look at it. There we go. As you can see, that's just the top hat for the fascia. So we do replace that as well. We have the KAYHANAUDIO logo right there. And yeah, this is just a top hat, very sleek. It's piano black, very smooth. And yeah, there you go. Be the fascia for the unit. As you can see, I'm just going to take this off so you guys can have a better look at it. Fascia itself. This will just go right on top of it, as you can see, like that, and that's our FG MKII screen. Now, what is essential with these units is these 4 screws we provide with every kit. With these 4 screws, they just plug into the back of the unit, back of the fascia. So one here, one there, one here, and one more there. These are very essential and are mandatory to use to put them in. So do not lose these, keep an eye on them and make sure you keep them around. Straight off the bat again, this is the grey top hat. Same thing. So that will be what it would look like on top. Same thing as before, you'll be provided with, so same thing as before. With every kit, you'll be provided with these 4 screws. Same thing on the back. One here, one here, one here, and one here. And installing it, and there you go. That's how it'll fit in. These are essential, as I said before, so make sure to keep them around. But yeah, that's the fascia. And just like before, this will go on top, and that will just fit right in. Alrighty. Thank you for watching our video, and have a nice day.